Welcome to Casablanca Apparels, one of India's largest manufacturers of quality promotional T-shirts. Founded in 1993, Casablanca Apparels specializes in manufacturing T-shirts for the promotional garment industry. Our team of merchandisers in Mumbai and Tirupur are capable of servicing over 100 clients at any given point of time, with order sizes ranging from a few hundred to well over 100,000. We hold ready stocks of T-shirts in varying qualities, styles, colors and sizes to meet the urgent requirements of our clients. Our network of distributors across India hold ready stock of T-shirts as well, whereby it's no longer a long wait for clients to get a custom T-shirt. Casablanca Apparels has over the past 2 decades emerged as the market leader in the promotional garment industry in India. From yarn to finished garments, our entire manufacturing facility is system-driven, ensuring consistency in quality in all our products throughout the year. At a time when manufacturers were competing on the price, we at Casablanca Apparels focused only on quality, enabling us to gain a reputation of being one of the best promotional T-shirt manufacturers in India. Our prices, however, are very competitive, but it is never at the cost of quality or timely delivery. Our fabric is knitted on state-of-the-art German machines and has been set to maintain the same quality throughout the year. Casablanca also has its own dyeing unit as well, with machine capacities ranging from 5 kilograms to 1,500 kilograms. The 5 kilogram machine helps us make color-specific samples within a day. Having an in-house printing and embroidery unit helps us achieve quality reproduction of company logos which otherwise would be very difficult to replicate. Casablanca Apparels has also invested in new technologies such as an eco-encryption machine which is capable of printing a 3-dimensional half-tone metallic or matte logo and making it the final solution to all branding limitations. Casablanca Apparels is also the only T-shirt company in India to offer compressed T-shirts. It's an innovative way to pack your T-shirt in the shape of your product. At Casablanca, manufacturing T-shirts is not only our business, it's our passion.